Using Cash App for Uber is a convenient way to pay for your rides. To get started, you need to have both the Cash App and Uber apps installed on your phone. First, open the Cash App and ensure you have a verified account with a linked bank account or debit card. Next, open the Uber app and navigate to the payment section. Tap on the Add Payment Method option and select Cash App as your payment method. You will be prompted to link your Cash App account to Uber, which involves logging in to your Cash App account and authorizing the connection. Once your Cash App account is linked to Uber, you can select it as your payment method for your rides. When you request a ride, choose Cash App as your payment option and confirm the payment. The fare will be deducted from your Cash App balance or link bank account after the ride is completed. It is essential to note that you need to have sufficient funds in your Cash App account or linked bank account to cover the cost of the ride. If you do not have enough funds, the payment will fail, and you will need to add a new payment method or reload your Cash App account. To avoid any issues, it is recommended to keep your Cash App account and link bank account up to date and ensure you have enough funds to cover the cost of your rides. Additionally, you can take advantage of Cash App's features such as instant deposits and cash boosts to get the most out of your Uber rides. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use Cash App to pay for your Uber rides, making it a convenient and hassle-free experience.